Cause nobody's perfect. Oh yeah, nobody's perfect. You know where they go. And a pretty woman, that perfect woman we go deep by your side. That God-fearing woman, that kind of woman.
Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're already part of the family, thank you for rocking with me. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this distressed soft locks. Okay, let's get to it. Alright, so we are doing box, and it's going to be medium size. I'm just going to show you guys how I part and also braid her natural hair down first before I start crocheting the locks. Okay, so as you're parting, you do want to use some kind of gel just to kind of get your part to be real neat and real crispy. So I am using Slim and Jam. Here's a picture of it. Alright guys, so I am now done braiding her hair down, and then I'm going to show you guys how I wrap the locks around her natural hair. And watch out for the next step, you guys. As you're wrapping the locks around the natural braid, you want to be careful so it don't look like you're twisting it, because it can easily be like that, because the natural hair is a little bit thinner than the locks, of course. So just kind of make sure it's not too tight, but you keep wrapping it around twice in the same area, so that way it won't really, come out ugly, and the natural hair won't be showing underneath or anything. So yeah, so as you're wrapping, you play with the hair as you see me doing here. You're opening it up a little, so you make sure it's covering that hair completely. Okay, so this way it don't hurt, it's not tight. I was able to put her hair on a ponytail right after. Once you get towards the end, as you see, the hair is over right now, so I'm just wrapping the locks, like that extra, I'm just wrapping it on top of it. And then what I do is I just roll it in the palm of my hands, just to kind of to get it to blend in. Alright, you guys, so you see so this is the end. I just open it up a little and then wrap it and then roll it in the palm of my hands. And I don't just roll that spot, I just keep rolling it to the very end, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. So this is the final look, you guys. I love it. I enjoy doing the styles, and my client also love it as well. As you can see, it's not pretty tight. I was able to move them around, and this style took me about 4 hours, and we only used 3 pack of hair. And this is the hair that we used. Yep. Alright, you guys, I want to thank you very much for watching my video, and if you did subscribe, thank you. And if you have not, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and join the family. And again, thank you for watching.
Yeah. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all